See, now that was a great movie. Yeah, right. I loved. I couldn't. I mean, wasn't it so cool? Like how like they were able to like harness the different abilities from like their other selves from like the other universes that like you're like it's. I could probably watch it again, but oh gosh, it is. It's midnight. Oh, I guess time really flies. I didn't think the movie was gonna be that long. I really didn't look up how long it was. I just heard a lot of people liked it, and I heard that the cinematography in it was top notch, which it was, wasn't it? I liked it. Was the fight scenes were really great. It was all done like in one shot. It wasn't like any clippings or yeah. See, I told you it would be a good movie. No, I know you didn't doubt me, but I was a little skeptical. I was a little scared. I was like, oh great, I'm pulling up this movie. It's gonna be so weird, and we're just gonna be bored for the next, you know, 2 hours. Was the movie 2 hours? No, don't go. No, I know it's late. You still gotta drive home. But you hear that? That doesn't sound too good. Well, I know that you're a fine driver and you can drive in a little bit of rain, but that doesn't sound like a little bit of rain. All right. I'll walk you to the door. Even though I'd prefer if you stayed a little longer. But again, we don't want the storm to get too bad and then driving into all of that. Now that wouldn't be too good now, would it? You got all your stuff? Your phone? You forgot it last time. And you're forgetting one more thing. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. Oh. Nope. No. You're not driving in that. No, you're not. You're not driving in that. I did not realize how. Here. No. What am I doing? Well, I'm looking up the weather on my phone. Look at that. Severe thunderstorm warning. Yeah, I think this is a little bit more than some rain. Nah. 60-mile-per-hour winds. Oh, there's a flash flood warning in the county below us. No. You're not. No. You're staying right here. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Why is that such a punishment to stay here with your girlfriend? No. You won't keep me up because we won't be waiting out the storm until 3 a.m. You'll be sleeping over. Yeah. It's no problem. No, it's all we're gonna do is you're gonna stay here, you're gonna sleep, I'm gonna sleep, and then no one's gonna get in a car crash, so I think that sounds pretty good to me. Besides, I got plenty of room here. You'll be just fine. I got extra blankets, got extra pillows, and it'll be a perfect excuse to have our first sleepover. No, I don't feel obligated at all. I mean, you would do the same for me. Oh, would you let me drive out in this? No. And I would not be stupid enough to let you drive me home in this weather. So, if this was the other way around, I'd be staying over your house anyways. So, well, I might have clothes that are baggy enough to fit you. Well, you can't sleep in that. Well, you can, but you shouldn't. I mean, that's not gonna be comfortable. I'll find you something. It's fine. I got a whole range of t-shirts. And I got a really, one of those drawstring sweatpants that'll be just fine. Well, I mean, yeah, they'll be fine. They'll be fine. Now, come on. Well, we're gonna go raid my wardrobe to find you something. Come on. Stop acting all nervous. I'm serious. There's nothing to worry about. Besides, I think it'll be nice. You know, it's like, be nice to sleep next to somebody, you know? You're not gonna sleep on the couch. Oh my gosh, come on. Alright, let's see. About that one? About this one? Got it when I was at Sanibel Island. I got it as a sleeping shirt originally, and then I never used it. So, it's pretty new. It's basically just an oversized souvenir. And then, oh, here's the sweatpants I was talking about. And, here's a few other options. I think this one will look great on you. Okay. I didn't wear this one. It was actually a gift. It's this big, large, gaudy pink shirt that my aunt got me. God knows why. It's like this tie-dyed thing that she got when she went to like Hilton Head or something. And there's just flowers everywhere on it. These big letters. I tried to make it better by cutting a bigger head hole just because it went up like all the way to my neck and that made it uncomfortable. But it's massive. And it's very comfy. Even though I wore it like once. And then it never saw the light of day. But maybe not yet until today. Oh my gosh. Stop whining. Go try it on. Besides, I think pink looks great on you. Okay. I personally don't like pink myself, but I think it's your color. I'll go on. Yeah, right there in the bathroom. I'll wait out here. You done yet? Just checking. You doing okay in there? You doing alright? Alright, I'm just checking. Yeah, let me go grab some extra pillows. I really don't have too many pillows on my bed because I'm not really fond of them, but are you fond? You want some pillows? I'll go grab them anyways. You know, we'll see how you feel. Oh. Well, don't you look cute? Yeah, I got some extra pillows from the little closet I had over there. Those comfy? Well, good. If you're not too fond of the sweatpants, I also have like baggy shorts or whatever. Literally just take your pick. I still have them sitting out over there. Alright then, well, come on. Yeah, come on, get in. Get in the bed. It's fine. Besides, I'm tired and you're tired, so let's just get some sleep. Stop being all nervous. I'm your girlfriend. Get in here. That's precisely why you're nervous. Oh my, get in here. Get in here. I feel lonely. I'm all alone. I'm all alone in this bed by myself. I might just die from loneliness, honestly. It's just so agonizing since you're just so far away. Aww. Yay, now you're in the bed with me. Oh, I was not being over dramatic. It was honestly very agonizing to see you so far away but yet so close. But now you're close. You comfortable? I can get an extra blanket if you want, but you know me, I overheat so easily. I only have one blanket, so. Alright, well, good. Come a little closer. No, come on, come here. We cuddle on the couch all the time. How is this any different? See, isn't that better? Because I think it is. Alright, I won't whisper in your ear, I won't. I know it's ticklish. And I really mean it. I'm really happy that you're here. You know, well, I mean, obviously we're together a lot anyways, but I mean, I don't know. I think there's always that little piece of anyone that just wants to, you know, sleep next to somebody. Just, it seems, I don't know. It's just calming, and to feel their presence while you're slowly drifting off to sleep is nice. Plus, I just love you so much. And I just have to have you by me at all times, so it was bound to happen sooner or later. Well, I'm happy you like it too. And I'm happy you're less nervous because, you know, I don't want you to be nervous about this either. I know it's a little daunting, you know. It seems like such a big step, but it really isn't. Yeah, I'm comfortable too. And I like laying next to your chest like this. And I love the pink Hilton head shirt. No. It does not remind me of my aunt. She may have given it to me, but now every time I see it, I'll think of you. Maybe I'll even start wearing it. It'll become my new pajama shirt. Or maybe you should take it in that way. You have a little piece of me. Well, that's true. I guess it's kind of, you know, I don't really wear many pink things, but maybe if you have it, you'll remember our first sleepover. Every time you wear it. I still can't believe you're sleeping over. Well, I've actually been wanting to ask you to sleep over for a long time. I don't know, I love cuddling with you, so this is just like that times 1,000. But I didn't want to scare you or anything, you know? Like, when someone asks you to sleep over, it kind of has a connotation to it, you know? I didn't want you to flip out or anything. And honestly, I just, you know, wanted you to literally sleep over. Or, you know, maybe I also thought that, you know, you just would be nervous about just sleeping over in general, so. And I guess you kind of were, but you seem alright now. Well, I'm happy you like it too. Because I like it a whole lot. And I'm being spoiled, you know. Being in your arms like this, I don't think I'll ever want to fall asleep alone again. You're stuck with me now. And you know, We have the thunderstorm to thank for all this. Without the storm, you'd be driving home right about now. But instead, you're here with me. And I couldn't personally be any happier. Yeah, I'm pretty sleepy. Honestly, I've never been so comfortable that I think I'm just dozing off. Well, before I have the best night of sleep I've ever had in my whole life, I'll say goodnight. Because honestly, I could fall asleep pretty soon right about now. Look at that, it's the actual for real goodnight kiss. I don't think I've ever been kissed right before I went to sleep before. Well, good night.